Hello students, as in my first part we were doing verb, so in second part also I'll continue with the same. Yesterday I have taught you, I have make you understand about verb, that what is verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Yesterday we have learned these two kind. Now today we will see incomplete verb complements. Incomplete verb complement means when a verb is incomplete and all the verb in this sentence are intransitive verb, they do not have object. This sentence, however, make complete sense. These three examples have incomplete verb. They do not make complete sense. The word or a few words have to be added to make them express complete sense. Means whenever you see incomplete, like leaves are, the children seems, mother is. Mother is means mother is verb, you know that. Mother is noun and is verb. So they are incomplete. When the sentence is incomplete and that do not have any sense, so in that case we add some few words, and that all word is called a complement. That is called a complement verb. Okay, when you add some word to complete the sense of the sentence, that word is called a complete verb. So it is incomplete verb complement. So the word, मतलब जब कोई आपका सेंटेंस इनकम्प्लीट होता है और आप उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए जब किसी भी शब्द का उपयोग करते हो, उस शब्द, जो शब्द का आपने उपयोग किया है, उस शब्द को हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स कहेंगे. वो उसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है. इट ऑलवेज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दैट वर्ड्स, द इनकम्प्लीट वर्ड्स, टू मेक देम कंप्लीट. सो इसीलिए हम उसे कहेंगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट. वो सारे शब्द जो आपने उपयोग किए हैं उसे कंप्लीट करने के लिए, उसे हम कहेंगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. ओके, लेट्स रीड. द ट्रीज स्नो, द बर्ड क्रीप, द frogs क्रॉक, द गर्ल्स लाफ. दे आर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. 3 वर्ड्स में है लेकिन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है, तो उसे किसी सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है और वो सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं इंट्रांजेक्टिव वर्ब. लेकिन यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा, द लीव्स आर, द चिल्ड्रन सीम्स, मदर इज, ये सारे इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस है. टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्ब्स, a word or a few words have to be added to make them express complete sense. The leaves are fresh and green. The children seems happy. Mother is angry. The word or a group of words that is added to make a verb express a complete thought through is called the complement of a verb. That is what I told you. Here you can see it is incomplete, but here they have add some words. Okay, angry, happy, fresh and green. This kind of group of words or single words make complete the sentence, and that kind of word or verb calls a complement verb. The day was, what the day? The day was bright and sunny. My cousin is a surgeon. My cousin is it complete? No, it is incomplete. My cousin is a surgeon. So by adding a surgeon, it is complete. Then we feel sleepy. When you add subject to complete the sentence, that is called a subject complement. And when you add object, that is called a object complement. Further I'll turn the page and I'll let you know, but first here these are the subject. Okay, so it is called a subject complement. Then we have object. The committee asked the officer. Neeta made Vinita. The verb in this sentence do not convey complete sense. In the first sentence, the object is the officer, and the second sentence, the object is Vinita. In addition to the object in a two sentence, some words are required to convey a complete thought. The committee asked the officer for an explanation. Neeta made Vinita learn French. The group of words for an explanation and learn French completes the meaning of the sentence by saying something about the object, the officer and Vinita. Okay, in this sentence, officer and Vinita is sub object. Okay, हमने सब्जेक्ट में क्या किया, हमने सब्जेक्ट को ऐड किया. तो जब हम सब्जेक्ट को ऐड करते हैं तब हम कहते हैं कि सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. लेकिन ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि हम ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए कुछ ऐड करेंगे. ऑब्जेक्ट को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए जब हम वर्ड यूज करेंगे, उस वर्ड को हम कहेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अगेन, सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स हम सब्जेक्ट ऐड करते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. और जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए वर्ड ऐड करते हैं, उस वर्ड को हम कहेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. ओके, so today I have made you learn about subject and object complements and incomplete verb. In my third part, I'll going to explain you auxiliary word and finite and non-finite verb. On this note, this is your exercise. It is very short exercise. I have just recorded over here. Okay, so finish this exercise in your textbook and again go through with the verb, because this verb is very important chapter. Verb always going to make you understand in future about the tense. It will going to help you out to make the tense and all that. Okay, good day.